Oh, good evening.
Good evening.
Lily, can you lift the camera up so I can see your face? There we go. Tell me, what are you using? Are you using your laptop? Are you using your
Yes,
iPad?
laptop.
Say, I am using my laptop.
I am using my laptop.
Oh, Lily, what's wrong? Are you sick today?
Yes.
Oh, that's terrible. That's okay. You will feel better. Maybe tomorrow you will feel better. When did this start? When did you start to
I
feel
don't
sick?
know.
Oh, it's not fun to be sick, right? That's okay. You still look good. Lily, can I ask you about your weekend? Did you do something fun or were you just resting?
Just resting.
Say, I was just resting during the weekend.
I was just resting during this weekend.
But because you have a cold, maybe you were eating ice cream. Were you eating ice cream?
No, I go.
Say, no, I was not eating ice cream.
No, I was not eating ice cream.
Alright. Lily, does your throat hurt?
Yes, a little bit.
A little bit. Lily, what do you do with a sore throat? How do you treat a sore throat?
Nothing.
Say again, can you make a sentence?
I do nothing with my throat.
Oh, so let me tell you something you can try to do. If your throat is hurting very much, you can make some honey tea. So you just take some honey and you put it in hot water. And
But if
then
we don't have a honey,
you cannot make honey tea. So do you not have honey in your house?
I think we don't have.
Why does your family not eat honey?
Yes.
Say no, we don't eat honey.
No, we don't eat honey.
Okay. So that's my favorite things to do when I have a sore throat is to eat honey with it. Helps to soothe the throat. Can you say for me? Honey helps to soothe your throat.
Honey helps to soothe your throat.
Okay. Lily, yesterday, Sunday, how was the weather?
Sunny, I think.
Sunny. Okay. I'm surprised. I thought maybe it was too cold and that's why you have a cold today.
It
Right.
was cold. It was cold, but it was sunny.
Cold but sunny. So if it's those days we must stay in the sun to keep warm.
Yeah.
All right. Lily, in today's class, we will look at some pictures and we will talk about them, and then at the end of the class we will make some sentences. The first picture looks like this. It is about an eclipse. Lily, what is an eclipse?
What?
Eclipse.
Candy.
It is candy, you are right, but in terms of space, it is when the moon comes in front of the sun. When the moon comes in front of the sun, it is a solar eclipse. Can you read for me? Get ready for the...
Get ready for the solar eclipse when moon ends up for perfect line with Earth in ring of fire.
So if we look at the solar system, let's draw our solar system with a nice big sun in the middle. There is our sun in the middle of the solar system, and there is our Earth going around the sun. Lily, what does Earth orbit?
Orbits the sun.
Earth orbits the sun. Good. One more time. Can you say for me? Earth orbits the sun.
Earth orbits the sun.
So there is our orbit. It's too big. Good. There is our Earth orbiting the sun. And then Lily, for an eclipse to happen, the moon must go right here between the sun and the Earth. Lily, what does the moon orbit?
Earth.
Good. Let's make a sentence. The moon orbits Earth.
The moon orbits the Earth.
All right. Lily, do you think it's safe to look at an eclipse with your eyes?
No,
Why not?
because our eyes hurt.
Well, we can damage our eyes. If we look directly at the sun, we can damage our eyes. So if we don't want to damage our eyes, there is some special glasses that we can wear.
Sunglasses.
It's like sunglasses, but they're even stronger than sunglasses for the eclipse. To watch the eclipse. Okay. So we don't want to damage our eyes, we want to protect them. We can wear special sunglasses during an eclipse. Did you ever see an eclipse? Never. Oh. It's a very strange. I've seen an eclipse, and in the middle of the day, Lily, you are watching with your glasses, and then all of a sudden it's dark. It was a bright day, and then all of a sudden, boom, there's a dark shadow. It's a very strange feeling. Lily, here we have a drone. But there's something special about this drone. Lily, let's read the title. Heavy lift drone.
Heavy lift drone can hold 220 pounds of cargo for delivery, aid, or construction companies.
So that's three things that they can use the drone for: delivery, aid, and construction. What are those three things? Lily, can you tell me? Delivery, aid, and construction. What is that? Deliver.
No.
Can you say for me?
Delivery, aid is like first aid.
First aid, yes. Medical aid. Help. Medicine. And what about construction?
I don't know.
Construction is building things. Building roads, building schools, building hospitals, building bridges. Can you say for me? Construction means building things.
Construction building things.
Let's try one more time. Construction means building things.
Construction means building things.
All right. Let's see the next one. Here is a box of Pokémon cards. Lily, are you obsessed with Pokémon cards?
No.
Say, no, I'm not obsessed with Pokémon cards.
Huh?
No, I'm not obsessed with Pokemon.
No, I'm not obsessed with Pokemon cards?
So, some of the students at your school, they are obsessed with Pokemon cards and they would think this is crazy. $50,000 for some old Pokemon cards. This is actually really amazing what happened. Can you read for me? Boxes of Pokemon cards?
Boxes of Pokemon cards were almost thrown away, but have since raised $50,000 for family.
So the family was about to throw them away when they realized they could sell them for 50,000. So it's really cool. Lily, what about you? If you had these Pokemon cards, would you sell them for 50,000 or would you keep the cards?
Sell them.
And then what would you do with the money?
Save?
That's a good idea. What are you saving for?
I don't know.
Say, I am saving for my future.
I'm saving for my future.
Alright, good. Lily, here is the last one. The last one is about Spain. Do you remember what's the capital city of Spain? It is Madrid. What's the capital city of Spain?
Madrid.
Let's make a sentence. What's the capital city of Spain?
The capital city of Spain is Madrid.
Good. Now, what did Spain do? Spain is one of the first countries in Europe to send someone to space. So let's read here. Can you read for me? Europe's first ever
private rocket blasts off to space thanks to Spanish company PLD.
blasts off to space. Lily, that means it goes to space. It blasts off like a rocket. So more and more countries are going to space. That means more and more people will go to space. Lily, are you someone that wants to go to space? No. Say, I don't want to go to space.
I don't want to go to space.
Why don't you want to go to space?
Because I don't want to.
What if I gave you $10,000?
Well, I don't know how much is it.
It's a lot of money. What if I gave you $1 million?
I'll go.
Then you will go. But what if the rule was you must stay in space for 365 days?
No,
For 1 year.
I
$1
will
million
only me.
only you alone.
I'll not go.
You will be too lonely. Why you won't go?
I'll be too lonely.
Too lonely, yeah. For 365 days, that's a whole year. Alright, Lily, do you have your notebook with you?
No.
Where could
Where
it
is it?
where could it be?
Right?
Why does the book always go missing? Are you moving it to different places?
No, because I think I left it on the left when I did the class on Monday.
And where did you do the class on Monday?
No, I mean last week Friday.
Where did you do it last week Friday?
Mom's hospital.
Oh, and you left it
Maybe
at the hospital.
I don't know. Maybe it's there. It is my chair.
That's okay. Let's let's continue with class. This will be on YouTube, so you can watch it on YouTube and then you can write the sentences. Okay, Lily? Here are the sentences that we are going to practice today. So, when are you going to go to your mom's hospital to check?
My mom will check.
Ah, okay. Is she there now?
No.
Say, no, she's not there now.
No, she's not there now.
Okay, October 16th, 2023. Lily, what's today's date?
October 16, 2023.
Lily, can you tell me about an eclipse? What is an eclipse?
The moon.
The eclipse is the moon.
Rounding. No, I mean.
Say again? Lily?
Yes.
Lily, an eclipse is when the moon Lily, can you help me? An eclipse is when the moon is between Lily,
Yes.
what are you doing? Lily,
Yes.
can you help me with the sentence? An eclipse is when the moon is between the sun and there you go. Lily,
Right?
are you focusing?
Yes.
Say no, teacher, I'm not focusing.
No, teacher.
Why are you not focusing? What are you thinking about, Lily?
I know.
Hmm? Is your mind thinking about other things? Are you thinking about rainbows and unicorns?
No.
Are you thinking about soccer and basketball?
No.
Are you thinking about ballet and ballet dresses?
No.
What are you thinking about?
Nothing.
Are you thinking about dessert and ice cream? Okay. An eclipse is when the moon is between the sun and the earth. Lily, can you read that sentence for me? Nice and confidently.
An eclipse is when the moon is between the sun and the earth.
Alright, now can we look at the eclipse directly with our eyes?
No.
Don't look directly at the eclipse. Why, Lily? Why don't look directly at the eclipse?
Because we can damage our eye.
Because we can damage our eyes. Lily, please read number 2 for me.
Don't look directly at the eclipse because you can damage our eye.
This should be eyes. One more time. Damage our eyes.
Damage our eyes.
Lily, how do we stop that from happening? I still want to see the eclipse. How do I stop from damaging my eyes?
Wear our special glasses.
Good. Wear special glasses to watch the eclipse. Right, Lily, number 4 is going to be about the drone. What is special about the drone that we saw?
You can have a 8.
Say again, Lily. So the drone we saw can lift heavy objects. The drone can lift heavy objects. Can you read for me number 4?
The drone can lift heavy objects.
Lily, there were 3 examples that they told us what the drones can be used for. Do you remember what the drones can be used for? They can be used for delivery of heavy objects,
8.
aid of heavy medicine, heavy equipment, and
4.
construction.
Construction.
Okay, good. Construction is about building things. Lily, maybe if they are building a statue, and it's a very tall statue, the drone can help to reach the very, very top. Okay, next, number 6. We need to write about the Pokémon cards. Lily, can you help me make a sentence about those Pokémon cards we saw?
But
The Pokémon cards that we saw, can you help me make a sentence about them?
they were in the family had a Pokemon card and they tried to throw it out, but they sell it and had got a $50,000.
Okay, so the family sold old Pokemon cards for $50,000. Last one is about Spain. Lily, what can you tell me about Spain?
There was a
Spain sent a
rocket to the space.
One more time. Spain sent a rocket to space.
Spain sent a rocket to space.
Okay, Lily, you didn't write the sentences, so you are lucky today. But we are going to do a review. So I'm going to go back to the pictures now. From the pictures, you are going to tell me everything that we spoke about. So everything about the eclipse, tell me about it. What is this article talking about?
This eclipse is when the moon is between the earth and the sun, and you cannot see with your you should wear a special sunglasses to look into it.
Okay, next one. What about this drone?
This drone is can
It can
lift
lift
up.
heavy things.
It can lift up heavy things, and it can delivery, and it can have an aid and a construction. The family sold old Pokemon cards and got $50,000. The Spain blast off the rocket to the space.
Okay, Lily, do you have any questions from today's class? Those 4 things that we saw? I think you have a question. What is your question? Lily?
Huh?
Can you hear
What
me?
are you going? What did you do on the weekend?
Say again, what's your question?
What did you do on the weekend?
Oh, I had such a nice weekend. I was eating so many cakes. I was eating cake and cake and cake. Different cakes. I went to different bakeries. Mousse cake, chocolate cake. I ate a lot of cake. Does that sound like a nice weekend?
How many cakes?
Say again?
How many cakes did you eat?
I ate maybe 3 a day, so 6 different cakes. I had 6 different cakes. I didn't eat all of them, Lily. I just had a piece of cake. Okay, Lily, do you have any more questions? If you don't have any questions, I will see you on Friday, Lily.
Okay.
Say, see you on Friday, teacher.
See you on Friday, teacher.
Bye, Lily.
Bye bye.